Hi, my name is Shadanis. I study in first class. Kerala capital Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Kalyana, Chandigarh, Rajasthan Pradesh, Shimla, Jammu and Kashmir, Neelaga, Jammu, Jharkhand, Jhansi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Bombay, Manipur, Limpa, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Chikki, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Alantara, Bombay, Manipur, Nimma, మా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేసి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.